Hello friends. Okay guys, starting my vlog really late, like super late kind of. Yes, so I have had my lunch and I have started like a new routine. Like I just want to do a transformation. ऐसा मैंने सोचा है, like the proper workout, proper diet, proper skincare and everything. So I'll be making separate videos of each and everything. सो इफ़ इट वर्कआउट, अगर वो अच्छे से रिजल्ट्स देता है देन आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी थिंग. Okay, so today is Saturday as usual and how my week was super busy. And yes, so this time I am just planning to have rest. From morning I have done workout, I did my lunch, I did my breakfast, I cleaned my table as usual. As I said in my previous vlog as well, you can see my table is super clean today. It is super clean, and yes, I have put the devices on charging. And my plan for today is that I have got my laptop, so I'll be just scheduling few shorts, few reels, and just do editing stuff and all those things. After that, maybe go somewhere out or just chill at home with my brother and plan a movie night at home. So let's see, even I don't know what's going to happen. कल का भी कोई plan नहीं है. Maybe with family, dad was saying we'll go somewhere. So वो भी fix नहीं है. So let's see. And I would like to tell you something that यहाँ पे ना मैंने morning skincare and night skincare कल ही लगाया है. I'll show you. Okay, I think it is ulta. I'll just flip it. Okay, so you can see this is morning skincare, night skincare routine, so that I don't forget. Yes, I literally want to follow at least for 7 days. 1 week तो follow करते हैं, फिर देखते हैं. Let's see. And yes, that was all. I'll just start with editing stuff. Okay guys, so I was working since afternoon and now I'll go somewhere out. So I'll just take you guys along, and had my green tea. Okay, so I'll just change and get back to you and see how I get ready. Yeah. Okay guys, all set, ready, leaving. And today I am going by auto, not willing to drive. Not willing ऐसा नहीं है, I always love driving, but actually there was a reason. So anyways, going in auto. So yeah, let's see. Okay guys, all set, just came home and it has been like really long. I did bowling, I went Zudio for shopping, and yes, I haven't shooted my friend because yes, everyone are not like the ones who like to be on camera. So some people are camera conscious, so can't help it. Yeah. Okay, so now I'll just be doing is tomorrow we are going early morning. Yes, for our like Derasar, Jain Derasar. So yes, वहाँ पे we are going, and after that I don't know what's the plan, but for now I'll just change, get freshen up, and yes, I have a lot of parcels to open, so maybe I do that. And yeah, just off to sleep. Let's see, I don't know. guys, good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I woke up. So yes, very bad face. Anyways, I'll have my workout like thoda bahut since it's Sunday hai, then have bath, have breakfast and then go. Since I said yesterday we are going, like I, mom, dad, yeah, we are going. My brother is not coming since he is having exams and he has to study and a lot of different stuffs. So yes, we three are going. I'll just get back to you. Okay guys, all set. And yes, since I said I wasn't well, so ठीक है. Anyways, we are going. It's 1 to 2 hours drive from our home. So yes, let's see. All set. Okay guys, reached. I don't know how am I looking, but yes, done with puja and everything. Now we'll go home back. So yeah, nothing great. My hair, yaar, I need a haircut. Seriously. Okay guys, reached home. Like it was a long drive and बहुत traffic भी मिला बीच में. So yes, वही like clutch brake, little exhausted and I'm not even well. So बहुत सर्दी हो गया यार. Guys take care of yourself. Like yes, there is a viral infection and a lot of things going around. So just make sure you take care of yourself. Have warm water, have something healthy every day. And yes, that's all. I'll just end my vlog because seriously not feeling well. I might sleep or just watch a movie and sleep. Yeah, that's all. It's already 4 o'clock. I don't know how much I have vlogged and I don't know I'll upload this video or not because literally exhausted and my head is paining. यार सर्दी बहुत ख़राब चीज़ होती है, trust me. So yes guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. See you in next video. Bye bye.